Hello everyone. So 19th December 2020, the last exam of December month, both academic and journal training. So we are here with the prediction of that exam. But before that, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do it. So let's start the prediction for the 19th December. Listening, there are a lot of blanks this time. Part 1, fill in the blanks up to 3 words, easy. Part 2, fill in the blanks again with some small multiple choice questions, easy. Part 2, easy to moderate multiple choice questions. And the final part is fill in the blanks up to 1 word, and the final part 4 will be little fast. The audio will be little fast and most probably maybe an Australian style. So this is your listening, little bit moderate this time. Let's move on to reading. Reading academic first. Academic, passage 1, true, false, not given, and list of the headings. Easy passage 1. Passage 2, match the following informations from the paragraph and some fill in the blanks. This will be moderate. And final passage, yes, no, not given, and the information from the paragraph. So your overall reading will be moderate in your 19 December 2020 exam. There are some good basic IELTS reading tips and tricks on our channel. So if you haven't watched that video yet, so do please watch it. Let's move on to reading journal training. Reading journal training, passage 1, fill in the blanks and choose the correct option from the paragraph. First passage will be moderate, not much moderate, but a little moderate, easy to moderate. Passage 2, fill in the blanks and yes, no, not given options. Passage 2 will be moderate. Last passage, passage 3, match the information and sentence completion. And passage 3 will be easy to moderate. So your overall reading will be moderate for journal training. Let's move on to writing. IELTS writing. Let's talk about task 1 first. Task 1, map, table, line and bar chart for the academic students. And for the journal training, task 1, informal letter. Task 2, for both the groups, academic and journal training, agree or disagree type of passage and advantages or disadvantages type, positive, negative, effects and points. And the topics are government, society, about people like family and friends, TV, media, music and culture. So please practice for that. For IELTS writing, there are so many task 2 topics given on Stars of Knowledge Learner channel. Please do watch that video and prepare for those topics for your exams. For IELTS speaking, we have September to October cue cards and October to December cue cards video on the channel, and we are going to give you only for the December month cue card topics analyzed from the last quarter. So please subscribe this channel for those updations for the videos and notifications. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and do visit our other channel, IELTS Listening and Reading Test, for your listening, writing and reading practices. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.